Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. This is Michelle Medina season again at the Glam and Fab Queen TV. So I can't be more excited to share with you what I have right now. This is what you call the NARS Exposed Cheek Palette. First of all, I'm looking for something that's light. I can put in my small bag. This is it. The size is just right. Most ladies now, we want to wear small bags or they bring small bags. So this is the bag that I wear most of the time now because I'm confident now to bring small bags. Unlike before, I'd like to wear the big tote bag because I feel like I have to carry everything, but I learned how to carry just the essential stuff. So this one would fit inside easily. See? And it has 6 shades inside. It's a complete thing for me, I think. You have the highlighting color, you have a base color here, you have a contour color, you have the cheek colors. So let me tell you or show it to you when I swatched it. This is the highlighting color, the brown with peachy undertones. This is the one for contour, the bright coral color for the cheeks. This one is the dark mauve and the raspberry. So all in all, these ones you can use also for your cheeks, not just for the eyes. I would say that they have very circular formula. There's no fallout, and the highlighter is glowy but not obnoxious. I like also these colors because you can wear it every day. It's easy to apply, and it's really high pigmented. And this is what I did. I bought this brush. This is what you call the Yachio brush. So it's really a versatile one, and it's nice to apply. So this is a tutorial for the NARS Exposed Cheek Palette. First is that you have to remember to prep your skin. The skincare is very important. So you have to wash and then tone, and then to apply your moisturizer. I'm going to start with the NARS primer. This is a primer with SPF 50. Ang primer kasi helps your skin to be protected, and at the same time, it makes the makeup stay longer. Very smooth ang primer ni NARS. Then the next one is I'm gonna use the NARS Veil Color Glow Foundation. Make sure that you get your tamang shade para sa inyo, so that you don't look off. Hindi mo nakuha yung tamang shade for you, you're gonna look so different talaga. Now I'm using the NARS primer. So I've done already the eyebrows so that we can focus on creating the makeup look. Now what I'm going to do is to start with the eyes. So this is the exposed palette. Yeah, you can see it, right? I love this because it's very compact. Maganda yung size niya. You know, it can fit in your, small bag, bag like Chanel small bag, and you can bring it anywhere. You can use it on your lips and on your eyes, no? So what I want to do now is to use this one as a contour or as a base color too. It's a very nice beige color that you can use as your base and contour, but right now this is what I want to do. Put another layer. Then you put the contour color, this one, this color. That's called Give It Away. The colors are very similar when you apply it, although it looks really dark on the palette. But see? So, halos pareho siya. It's almost the same. If you want to make it really intense, and if you want to add more contour to it, just add a darker shade of brown as the eyeshadow. It can really work. So next is that you add that dark color on your upper lash line and on the lower lash line. Put a little bit of the neutral color on the inner corner of your eye. And of course, you're gonna put your brow bone shadow. Any light color will do. So now that I put the eyeliner, we're gonna have to just continue and put on more of the highlighting powder. This is what we call Tell All. Then the next step is you add your gel liner. And on the upper waterline, use a black liner. I'm using a soft liner kasi hindi masakit sa eye. It's comfortable on the lash line or on the waterline if you use something that's soft pencil. The inner corner of your eyes. Again, put the highlighting powder. I want to use this Mauve Cornine by Teviant for my lower waterline. Then I'll put on my lashes. So the good thing about this duo is that this one dries up fast. It's just for 30 seconds and it's ready. Make sure that it's really nakadikit siya. I'll put one coat of liquid eyeliner. Okay, so now we come to the face part. What you're gonna do is to contour your nose a little bit. With a little bit of the Tell All highlighter. I also got, this is what you call the Chio brush. It's a classic NARS brush. It's actually made of natural bristles, and the handle is made of a woven Japanese kind of material. You have this point here and you have this part here, which is really perfect on your upper cheek area. And put at the highest part of your cheek. And then you remove the excess blush or highlighter, and then you start to contour do your contour here. So remove the excess again and start using the blushes. I'd like to use a combination of Make You Mine and Come Hither. I'm quite surprised. It's so nice, especially if you use this brush. Then for the pop of color, use the darker color. This one, the darkest berry color. In the beginning, I was kind of not enjoying it because this is kind of rough. But once you get used to it, to handle it this way and to swirl it over your cheeks, it's nice. It can really deliver the blending that you want, no? So now we'll go to the lipstick. We're gonna use this lipstick called Shack by NARS. So there you have it. This is the NARS Exposed Cheek Palette. It's really nice. You can use it on the cheeks and on your eyes. I know you're gonna love it. It's so wearable, it's so versatile, and you can use it and you can carry it everywhere. So thank you for watching this. If you have any questions, please comment below, and you can also send some email if you want to ask more questions. And you can follow us at the Facebook page Glam and Fab Queen, and at the Instagram Glam and Fab Queen, and we'll see you all next time. Thank you so much. Bye.